Like when you do you have it on video? Oh.
Helicopter.
Come on, Rick. Can you get his face better? Like you can move it.
There's Robert.
Hello, Robert. Hello.
And then there's Pilot Butte Mountain behind, and then there's
Look at that view.
Oh, hello. We're on the road to Tumalo Waterfalls
Yes.
in Bend, Oregon, and then there's hi, bub. What's up?
Put
And
the
then
book down.
Hannah, and I'll pass the camera on to
Hannah, flip your
to
glasses
Mom.
so you
Here.
can see your eyes.
No, you gotta hold it now because I can't
Okay.
see her.
Okay.
So here in Oregon, what they do is
Merrily, merrily.
Oh, that's the monster.
Oh yeah, there's Pearly.
volunteer.
Oh, Pearl. She's nice and still back there. I put her back there more often instead of right there.
They'll fly for us.
You know when you go real fast, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
National Scenic Byway for 1 mile.
Okay.
And we also
Okay, now I'm gonna
have
put it back.
helicopter